Hello, appraisers. My name is Brandon Rich. I am with Spark, and I'm also a residential real estate appraiser myself and the co-creator of Spark. Just wanted to take a minute to thank you all for giving Spark a shot and also to give you an overall view of our design philosophy when we first made Spark. So first, of course, we wanted to increase efficiency and save you time so you don't have to do all that tedious typing into your grid or your 1004MC or whatever market analysis form you're using, and hopefully give you more time to do the actual appraising part of your job, which is one of the main goals. Also, we wanted to increase the quality of the actual appraisal process itself, in addition to providing transparency to you in how various calculations are derived. On top of that, we also wanted to allow you to work in whatever workflow works best for you. And this is kind of a big one because essentially we know that appraisers all like to do things in their own different ways. So rather than us telling you how to use Spark, we would rather you tell Spark how you like to work. So for example, if you prefer to load in just data into your sales grid and then maybe later on the next day after your inspection do the market analysis and the cost data or the cost approach side of Spark, that's totally fine. Or if you like to do the grid and the market analysis, then later do cost data, or whatever order and whatever combination you prefer, Spark is able to work that way. So basically our goal is to allow you to use Spark in any way that you want, and then you get in and out of Spark as quickly as possible once you know how to use it. In doing this, though, and actually allowing you to use whatever workflow works best for you, we found that some appraisers have questions like, okay, so what do I click on next? What's the next thing to do? But the point of Spark is that you decide what you want to do next. So you just click in Spark what you want to do. So if you ever have any questions or concerns or just aren't sure what to do next or how to handle things, please don't hesitate to give us a call, and we're more than happy to help out and help you figure out how to best use Spark with your own workflow. So if you're ever having any issues, over in the top right of Spark, and I'll show you right here, you click the gear icon, and then you click where it says contact us. You'll get our contact information. So shoot us an email, give us a call, and we are more than happy to help you out. We can also help you with the setup process or with how to understand various calculations or how to customize comments or charts or your grid or anything like that. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. I also wanted to point out that over 99% of Spark users that actually use the built-in tutorials or reach out to us end up loving Spark and continuing to use it. So I would encourage you to take some extra time this first time that you're using Spark and really watch those tutorials as they pop up. Essentially, when you go in to use Spark for the first time, on each screen, it's going to pop open with windows that tell you, okay, you can click here to do this or click here to do that. So I'd encourage you to take advantage of that because it's going to help you really understand the way you can use Spark to be more efficient for you. But again, just let us know if you have any questions at all. We're more than happy to help. And thanks so much for trying out Spark.